Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video we are back with another natural hair tutorial. Today we're working with Betterlengthhair. Today we're installing their seamless clip-in. So I'm just going to show you guys what I received inside my package and then just jump right into the install. So we received some extra clips along with our clip-ins. So these are our clip-ins. I did receive 10 packs and they're all 10 inches long. This is their Yaki texture. I just wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like. So of course it comes with the pop-up clips that you put underneath the hair. This is it. And it's way lighter once you install it. So this is one of the longer pieces. This actually has 5 combs and they did send us some extra combs just in case. This is it right into the install. so this is the final look, and one thing I must say, like, these seamless clip-ins are way lighter than the regular clip-ins that I'm used to. So let me show you guys the back. It looks super natural. I actually love these. I love how it turned out super natural. It blends so good with my hair. This is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it. I did do a bust down center part, but I feel like I want to style it so you guys can see that it is super versatile. But this is it. Let me brush these out. So this is one way you could actually wear it, like just like this, but I'm gonna style it some other ways so you guys can see. But I will be linking the hair down below for anybody who want to make their purchase. Go ahead and use my code and get your discounts. This is the final look. I love it. It is super natural, super lightweight, super versatile. This is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it for you guys. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.